Good morning, everybody. And it's still quite sticky, but I bought lots of minced pork, and the supermarket is very kind. They gave me too much as subsidize, and so I decide to make some steamed dumplings, Bao Zi, which is one of the typical, famous, popular Chinese food. So now I'll show you. This is the flour. I put it 1% of the yeast last night, and I let it rise. So now this is what it look like. So it's done, very well done, because it's fairly warm at the moment. So what I'm going to show you first to help prepare kneading the dough. Yeah. So now I'm going to get some flour, put it on the chopping board, and because it's quite sticky, so now I'll get a little bit of flour there as well, and my hand, because otherwise I'll stick all on my hand. I was going to make a video about how to make this dough from flour. It's quite easy. Just water, half of the water of the flour amount, and then 1% of the yeast. You can put a little bit of 1 teaspoon of sugar to make it rise faster, but in the summer you don't normally need. Yesterday I didn't because it's really hot at the moment. It's quite a bit of work to make dumplings, or sort of any kind of dumplings, but they are so good. So now, and look, it's all on my hand now. And I didn't do really cooking and housework until I left home, but I think I've done quite well really, because you know, I managed to eat very well. So now we need to get the air out of the rising dough. So by kneading it, you can feel the bubble is sound. So that means the air is being crushed. See, and I don't know if you can hear it. So it really is housework, housewife thing in China, because they got nothing to do every day. They make dumplings, and use about at least about 1 hour, I would say. If I make small dumplings, about 60, 70 from scratch with flour or the minced pork, it takes me 1 hour minimum. But if you got family, you have to make more than it takes longer. So it's not a busy person's thing. So that's why nowadays so many people, they start buying already made frozen ones. But I feel it's healthier if you make yourself. See, now it's all smooth now, and so it's quite good. So what I do, learn from this from my parents, from my father, and my father is really the main cooker, the better cooker at home most of the days I was there. So what we do, we portion it, cut it, and there'll be a flour to make it less sticky. So what I do, I save the piece and use it slowly as I start making dumplings. Well, on my steamer, it's only got 1 layer, so sadly I can only steam 3 dumplings at the same time. So it depends on how you like, then you portion them as big or small, and so I'll make it 3. So this one, 1, 2, so that will become dumplings. So how many you made will become dumplings later then, because each one you put fillings in. Really strictly speaking, you make it round, and so the dumplings will become perfectly round. I'll show you. This is prepared for the wrapping, the paste, how you call it, for the dumplings first. Then you make the filling inside. So now you need joint pin. So what you do, you press it and you putting around, because you can get everywhere evenly. That do need flour, especially the paste. The dough is soft. So normally speaking, it should be thicker there and thin here. So all fillings will be here. So in this case, you wouldn't taste too much of the dough. It's not much fun really. You see, make it a bit. Again, it's being flexible, so that's. So press, turning around, press, turning around. It's quite easy, basically common sense. You just make it evenly thin. Okay, now I'm going to show you. I'll get my fillings minced in out. So this is minced pork, which I prepared last night. I got a little bit of vegetables in, which is spring onion, 1 leftover onion, chopped it, minced it, and put soya sauce, salt, pepper, oyster sauce, a little bit of sugar, and let it settle in the fridge, because they'll be less busy today then. So what I'll show you how to make these dumplings. So basically, we use this spoon to put the fillings in the middle, and I'm going to show you. So you start, then your thumb doesn't change position, hold it, but then you get more and more on the right side, and then you seal it. So that's called round dumplings. Yeah, round dumplings. So put it here. Put it somewhere you can see. And now I'm going to make a different shape of dumplings. This way is easier. If you're a beginner, that'll be easier. So this one, what you do, you press in the middle, and then you press it all the way from the right and to the left. If you make some pleat, you can say this is called long dumplings, we call it. Yeah. So we got another one. And now I'm going to make you another dumpling. We call it a wheat dumpling. So this is more complicated. So you press the end, then you get more place from right to left in turns, and you do that, and left and right, left, right, left, right, left, right. See? You become this shape. Yeah? You become this shape. And so I made 3 dumplings now. Got this one. I got a round one. and then I got a long one. Can you see the difference between these two? It's slightly different, yeah? So, okay, now I'm going to steam them. I do it in another video because the time is running too long. I'll see you later.